Okay. I think let's start.
You want me to go ahead, Guru sir? Or?
I'll just start. I wanted to introduce you and good evening all, and thanks for making the time for yourself. And I appreciate that you have made a time for yourself to invest on yourself this time. Thanks to Girish for the last week's session, and thanks to Suchi for the Sunday session. It was incredibly, insightful. And to continue the same momentum, and we have another Ahankari brother who is Neelesh Ahankari, and both Ahankari brothers have been, into this IT world for so long. So I wanted to introduce Neelesh Ahankari, but before that, I wanted to pray, and let's start with a prayer, and then we start this session. Satya Vignakarab Jotan Panchashad Varshabhojakan Satya Pramod Tirtharya Nomin Nyaya Sudarthan. Yeah. Okay. So let's start. And today I wanted to introduce to Neelesh Ahankari. Mr. Neelesh Ahankari is a technology leader with over 21 years of global experience delivering large-scale digital transformation programs across the countries like US, Australia, and Europe. He leads high-performing teams of 150 plus engineers. Now he is managing 150 plus engineers and manages an annual delivery portfolio worth over $15 million. Neelesh has delivered 50 plus enterprise applications along with numerous smaller solutions across fintech, healthcare IT, energy, and utilities. A certified digital transformation expert from eCornell, sorry, and Boston Consulting Group. He is known for building secure, scalable SAS, SaaS platforms, cloud-native solutions, and GenAI-driven automations that align technology with business goals and deliver measurable outcomes. Welcome, Neelesh, sir. And sorry for my tone this today. Stage is all yours. And guys, enjoy this session. I'm telling you, this is going to be a mind-blowing. Whoever is missing, please inform that they are missing the session, which is going to be, kind of a game changer for them.
Okay.
Over to you, Neelesh.
Thank you. Thank you, Guru sir. With the blessings of Sri Satyatma Tirthru, my parents, my family, brothers, and extended family. Thanks for giving this opportunity, Udyoga Pramoda team, the leadership team of Udyoga Pramoda, and all the audience. Welcome to this session. It's a second session, a continuous session of what you had from last Saturday to now. We'll go little deeper into this session. Again, just want to preempt and make sure to tell the people that we are not going deep into AI, Gen AI, and the neural networks or the algorithms and all. This is to help people, general people, it can be IT, non-IT, and various parts of life to understand how to utilize the tools. As part of this today's session, we will try to cover how AI can help everyone in the everyday of life. Again, please, whenever you have any questions, anything that you would want to chat, please put it on the chat. I'll try to read the questions as many as possible and try to answer. Our team of Udyoga Pramoda also will try to respond some of the questions that you may have. So what we'll be talking about today is on how AI kind of creates transformation across how students are dealing with their daily life from as is with the AI. And similarly, we'll also talk about career progression of people who are within the current jobs, but they are not able to move forward within that band, or people who have taken a break. And it can be any profession. Again, it's not just specific to IT, it can be any profession as such. Then, with the time permitting, we'll go a little bit deeper into the how the professionals themselves can utilize the AI tools to make their real work life accelerated. So, from with respect to the students, I'm assuming any students who are in this forum today, or freshers who are just coming out of the college, just say yes, I'm a student, or say whatever on the chat. Just wanted to see how many students are there here. Yes, Sudhindra Morkandikar, Giridhar Malgi, fresher. Yes, yes, great, fantastic. There are lots of people who are coming and saying yes, they are fantastic. And I hope I'll make it interesting for you and something new for you guys on this one. So, with respect to the students, I think I just want to show a survey of what people have done so far. I'm pretty much sure that you guys might be using AI pretty much. There wouldn't be any student who has not tried ChatGPT or a Gemini or a Microsoft Copilot, right? A survey says that 90% of the students worldwide use the AI, especially on Gen AI side. So when I say AI, a basic difference is AI is different and Gen AI is different. AI is a larger umbrella, and then Gen AI comes under that. So we'll specifically focus on the Gen AI part of it. But 90% of the students using the Gen AI or AI is right, but how efficiently they are using it? That is the question. Are they using it efficiently to make their life better, be more productive, and learn more? So that is one area, even though 90% is a spread, but how deep you are going, that is what I think is important. The for with respect to the students, the areas where that they are using as per the study is especially on the complex kind of a problems. If it is very difficult to understand a cell structure, right, specifically for people in biology and all, so it is very clearly deeply explained how cell structure will be. If somebody really wants to understand say calculus related problem or some engineering mechanics related problem, so these are the problems where people are trying to search a little bit more deeper into it and try to understand. And the other area which the research says that is people are trying to apply more into practice the AI than just reading the theory. There are a lot of tools which we will talk about, uh, which will really help people in practicing more than just reading the theory. The other area where the research says that it is helping people is not just theory reading, applying, but also using it as quizzes, using it as flashcards, using it more to reinforce the knowledge that they have learned. This is where the AI is really helping in active learning. But is that all good, all merry? No. Overuse of AI is something that in the last session also it was mentioned that it is like a medicine, right? So you need to use it appropriately. If you see on the left side, I have put a diagram saying that a picture which says AI decisions versus human decisions. Human decisions have to be very high. You need to know when to use the AI. Do not become over dependent on AI. You need to have your own decisions. AI is like just another tool that you are trying to use wherever applicable. That so utilize your own knowledge, but use AI as just an additional expert on that particular area to guide you and you take your decisions. What happens when you overly rely on AI is on the right side, that when you are trying to mimic what AI is trying to do, then you will, of course, a study also says that people are losing their thinking abilities because of the AI. A little contrarian to that is what I says, see, typically we have something called teacher. A teacher teaches, but a guru in our typical Indian world, a guru enables a student to learn. So there's a difference between teaching a student versus enabling a student to learn by himself. So in this world, this Gen AI is trying to enable the people to learn by themselves, ask questions, be curious. But if you're not asking questions, if you're not curious, and if you're over relying, using it too much, then that is where the problem is. If you're able to learn, enable, start thinking, actually, to be very honest, my articulation skills have been improved because I try to understand what AI is going to understand. From when I type in something, is AI, will AI understand it? So I am thinking a little bit more when I'm giving my prompts, saying that this is what if I give, then the AI will understand and give me the responses. So it is a balance that is very important, that we need to make sure when to use the AI and not. Okay, let's get into a student's day in a life of a student. So I see a lot of students here. Shri Haripriya, Shrisha Joshi, Shroff Shrikant. So many people are saying I'm fresher. Ashish is saying that he's at mid management. Hello, sir. How many people, when they get up, what do they do? Like after you get freshen up and all, do you plan your day? Just give me a yes, no. Do you plan that this is what I'm going to do every day? Do you plan? Or do you think it is good when you start for the day? Do you plan? So Havish says no. Okay. Not many people are saying no. Yes is Swati Purohit. Fantastic. Raghavendra Metpalli says yes. Good. So there are mix of yes and no's, right? But is it good to plan your day and see if you're able to reach that goal? If you're not able to reach one day's goal, how are we going to reach the next 3 years, 5 years, 20 years, or 40 years of goals that we would have set up? If we do not know how to even set a goal for one day, then it's very difficult to take it forward. So there are certain tools that are available. If you all plan, whoever said no, if they can move to yes, and whoever said yes, you can make it better planning through various AI tools. So when you get up, you plot your day, you plan your day using Notion AI. Notion AI, how many people have heard about Notion AI? Just say yes, yes, Notion AI or something like that, because it is getting mixed between yes and no for multiple questions. Yes, Notion AI, or any other tool that you have been, similar tools that you have been using it. I see Kshitish saying yes, Giridhar saying yes. So I see some people are aware of Notion AI. Okay, Prasanna Kulkarni says no. So let me show you what Notion AI is. Okay. So Notion.ai. So you just need to log in. It's available free and pro version. Pro version has lots of things in it. So this is kind of a chat GPT, but it is much more than chat GPT. So if I want to ask, this is the homepage of it. If I want to ask anything about say Gen AI, it will start. Okay, my free versions are finished, but let me see if I have another logout. So Notion AI, what it does is typically it will help you to create your tasks for that day, calendarize it. It will also help you to on that day, if you are doing something, you want to ask it anything specific about any particular topic. So let me try it out. This looks like it has logged in. Home. Okay, let's see if I have any credits for this. Seems to be good. So it is trying to search on say whatever topic that you would want to search for, but it is not just like a chat GPT. You can attach multiple documents here. You can have all your sources connected. Like you see your Slack is there, your Google Drive is there, and multiple apps that you can connect here. And once you have this, you can also create a weekly to-do list. So what I'm going to do on Monday, what I'm going to do on Tuesday, you can set it up the to-do list for that day. You can clear it off. So this is where it will help you in planning for your day when you are getting started. And once you plan, it gets stored how much you have achieved, how much you have not achieved. This is one part of it, but Notion AI is much more than this. So I would request you guys to explore this particular tool, to start with the to-do list, but then there are lots of features that you can explore. Okay, so now once you start, like say plan your day, you went to your college, school, or you wherever you are going for your education, you are learning. There are lots of discussions that have happened. Even now we are having a discussion here where it's getting recorded, and after getting recorded, we would want it to summarize, or we would want to talk with that particular content. So otter.ai, fireflies.ai is something like, people whoever knows otter.ai, fireflies.ai, please say yes. Otter, fireflies, or any similar tool which will record the conversation, and then you can chat with the conversation. You can do a lot of stuff with that. For example, let me go to the otter.ai. So in the otter.ai, I have kind of recorded one meeting, or even fireflies have recorded a meeting of a water operations infrastructure from some county in US. And then I wanted to say, okay, this is the entire transcript. If you're able to see somebody joined, speaker 4, speaker 5, this is all the entire transcript of it, and this is a summary of it, what that meeting has happened. And then I can use a tool here and ask, like, what was that discussed, or whatever that you would want about that discussion. So it will let you know. So this kind of a tool, as a students or even people who are working as professionals can use it when you're having a discussion in your class, in your school, if it is allowed, record it, come back, chat with it, and all those notes are stored here. Otter.ar and fireflies.ai are something that you should be able to use it. Let me look at some questions. Google Notebook. Yes, thank you. Fireflies, yeah, somebody has used. Yeah, Fireflies AI for minutes of meeting. Also, it can be used. See, the purpose is you can apply any kind of a layer on top of it, but it is ideally record, summarize, and talk to it, right? So you would want to use it for your own lectures, or you would want to use it. Yeah, of course, Copilot doesn't do the like a meeting recordings. It's not specifically made for that, but Copilot is more of course, you can chat, you can talk, and then it can give summaries and you can talk about it. Gemini Assistant is also similar to Copilot or a chat GPT, but there are specific tools which are created, like Fireflies and Otter, are for different purposes altogether. Okay, so the next one is, yeah, so as part of your student life, you might be facing lots of issues specifically on the mathematics or science or any topic that you would have. And I have taken an example of photomath here specifically for mathematics. So photomath is one of the apps where people can scan the mathematical problem and then upload it. It will give the answers, explain, and again you can explore further on top of it. Wolfram Alpha is one of the top mathematical similar to photomath. So there are many such kind of AI tools which are available for a student to try. Does Otter work for different languages? Yes, I think it works not for vernacular languages yet, but I think there are different languages available in a pro version. I think somebody has asked a question. So next, moving on to afternoon routine, like what happens, like you would sit with your friends. Again, this can be applicable not just for students, but even for working professionals who would want to jam, do some brainstorming with your friends. So Notion comes again. You can capture all the recordings, you can capture all the notes there. But what if you would want to draw something on and brainstorm on a specific idea? So Canva AI is something which is useful. How many people know Canva AI? I'm assuming 99.99% will know Canva AI. Yes. How many people have actually really used it to create their presentations or even their ideas, brainstorming? So look like many people have done it. Yeah, fantastic. Fantastic. I think many people are saying that they have used it. So Canva AI, Notion AI can be used for your jamming sessions, ideation. Of course, I think to not just to write essays, but even to write certain blogs that you are very fond of, certain topics that you would want to write on, post it on LinkedIn or any other social network you might be using. Let me introduce here something called Notebook LM. How many people have heard about Notebook LM? Anirudh Zalki says yes, he has heard about Notebook LM.
Neelesh, I'm sorry. I wanted to disturb over here.
Hmm.
Uh, I think there's some issue with the screen. Everything, there is a kind of a lot of
Yeah, I don't know.
yeah, a lot of things are happening. Maybe there is some issue because while recording, we are getting that disturbances.
I don't know who is doing it, but yeah, please, guys, if somebody's doing it, don't do that. I don't.
I saw Arvind Kulkarni was doing some two, three. I just messaged him. Sorry, Arvind. Maybe some issue with the screen and all.
Is there a way that we could stop that, Anna? I mean, not giving them access?
I don't know about it. That's what it's a surprise that I'm seeing that.
Okay, okay.
We'll leave it for now in the interest of time. So let's proceed. If somebody figures it out a way, please let know, and then we can start. So on the Notebook LM, let me quickly introduce you to Notebook LM. So Notebook LM is a top tool that has been lot many people are using it. So let me go back to the home page. So what the Notebook LM does is when you can Anirudh Kulkarni is requesting to record to their computer. So we'll share the recording to you separately, Arvind sir. So when you create a notebook, LM, so it will ask you to add sources, like it can be a Google Drive document, it can be a website or a YouTube video that you would have liked about it. And you can manually type the text also. But why do I need to do this? There are certain specific features here, like as in the Notion AI also the feature is there in the Notebook LM. So what you could do is you could add any specific document website link, which I think I have done. I'll show that. Then you can chat with that particular content that comes here, and you can also create a podcast. I'll show you something which is already created. Yeah, so this is the something which one of a recent news where one of an entrepreneur, a female entrepreneur, she really came up with an idea about how the storage of onions can be structured, and also make sure that it doesn't get rotten. So but again, we'll come to that story a little later. I added that link as a website. This is just a link of their website. Now that content has already the Notebook LM has summarized that, and I can ask about it, saying that what is it all about, right? It will summarize for you, right? Yeah, so it summarizes. You can talk to that content of that website. Like earlier you used to only read, but here if you want to specifically ask about one piece of this, you can, like, say if I want to ask about what is the entrepreneurial journey, it will just keep responding to it. But one of the top features of Notebook LM is a podcast. Now what if we would want this particular content to be explained to us, and this is a simple article, but there will be lots of content which is very complicated, and sometimes you would want to hear and understand as if like two people are talking about that topic, exploring that topic, more than talking, exploring that topic, and we would like to hear that. And maybe we do not have time to read, so we may want to create a podcast of it and then hear it when we are traveling in our metros, buses, cars, wherever. I tried to create this. Let me see if you are able to hear this or not.
Imagine this. India is the second largest producer of onions.
Able to hear?
Yes.
Globally. Now, picture nearly half.
So this entire article has been converted as a podcast, guys. Okay.
Of that enormous harvest being lost before it even reaches your kitchen. That's a truly astounding amount, isn't it?
It really is. Almost hard to comprehend.
Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the story of a remarkable agri-tech entrepreneur. She zeroed in on this massive challenge in onion storage, a common problem, really, leading to huge losses for farmers, and found an innovative solution using the Internet of Things, or IoT.
Right. And our mission for this deep dive is to trace the journey of Gadam Innovations PBT Ltd. We'll explore how they identified this really critical pain point for farmers, developed a cutting-edge digital tool.
Now, yeah, of course. So this article has been converted as a fireside chat or a podcast kind of a thing where two people are exploring the topic. It's not like reading the content in it, which is an engaging thing where people will try to be engrossed in it and try to learn from it as well and remember too. So this is a powerful tool from Google Notebook LM. So I request everybody to make it a habit to use it every day. Okay, so that's on the Notebook LM. Please feel free.
Neelesh, someone has given a tip for us. So if you can go on Zoom, maybe you can disable the annotations to be made by others.
Okay.
So thank you, Srikar Sangam. I think yes, if you go click on Zoom menu on the Zoom workplace or Zoom menu, then there should be an option to disable annotations. You click
Annotate
on
is
Zoom,
there.
click
So
on more.
this is annotate.
It's taking time. Maybe we can continue.
I think we should just continue because we don't see those things right now. So we'll just go ahead.
Fine. So yeah. So in the evening of a student, I think we'll quickly move on from student. This is an interesting one. I would like to take a little bit of time here. So in whatever we have done in the morning and in the afternoon that we have learned, we would want to reflect. We would want to reinforce that. We would want to recheck whatever we have done so far in the evening and try to remember that. Now, TurboLearn.ai is a fantastic tool. Does somebody had tried this TurboLearn.ai or MindGrasp? Please do message saying, yes, I have done it. This is an interesting tool. Just looking at the chat if somebody has used it, or say no. Yeah, I think Sujindra Chari is saying yes. Some people are saying no. Good. So let me show you what it is all about. So me open a new one. So turbolearn.ai, what I have done is I have uploaded a metallurgy related topic here, which is absolutely I'm not well aware of. But assuming that you are part of a student and you would want to, again, it has a Notion AI or Notebook LLM kind of a thing where you can upload that particular document or a content, and then you can chat here, right? So I have, I have putting it here. You can chat with this. But there are a couple of things that I would want to tell which are really good is like a flashcard. This is an old technique where if you want to remember something, right, you can click on this is a question and the corresponding answer comes. And it's all within minutes that you can upload whatever that you would want to and create these kind of flashcards. The other interesting thing that it has is that you can create a quiz. So whatever you have learned from day in the morning, you can try yourself with the quiz, saying that, okay, do I remember it correctly or not? And then if you want some help, you can ask for help, saying that, okay, I'll just say, explain me more. It explains you more, and it is not just that it has its answers from the topic that has been uploaded, but it can go to a general chat GPT kind of an LLM. It has its own LLM where it can go beyond the topic which is uploaded, explore, research, and then give back the answers to you. So this is a fantastic tool that for anybody, irrespective of whether you are in a student or a college or even in a professional life, you want to learn, you want to remember, you want to reinforce something, please, I request you to utilize this tool, which is excellent. So right now engineering exams are going on. How can I use this as a student? I mean, see, I think whatever topic that you would really are struggling to remember the topics, you can upload that here and then create a quiz, create a flashcards and use it on the mobile. Wherever you're traveling, you can specifically use that, Guru Raj. I think that's the answer that I would have. Any questions on this? Anything further that you would want me to talk about? Okay. So yes, of course, if you don't have a solution, yes, you can get a solution, you can ask for it. And then, as I mentioned, it doesn't talk only about that particular tool. It can go beyond the LLM that it is using, and it will explore like a chat GPT kind of thing, very integrated that solution again store so that you can go ahead and create further quizzes and further flashcards on top of it. Okay, so for a student life, I think we have spoken about how the studies go on until the evening, but we also wanted to tell that there's at the end, you would want some kind of a fun, some kind of an entertainment, not Instagram, not YouTube videos, not Facebook, but something that you would want to create. So there are tools. AI provides those tools. Here also Notion AI is a fantastic tool there as well. But there are other tools like Suno.ai where you can create your own music. Character.ai is something that you can create a fictional character, or you can have a real character from the past that you can talk with that character. Like if you would want to talk to say an Einstein, you can say that you are an Einstein and this is a character, and you keep talking to it, and it looks like this has become very addictive, especially for the kids, so be careful with it. Suno.ai is my personal favorite, where I tried I write some lyrics and it creates music for it. I'll just quickly take a second to show people who are really interested in. So I actually again, my voice is really bad, but I just play something that I recorded a song.
Krishna Krishna
Able to hear?
Krishna Bolo Krishna 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 Bolo Krishna Krishna Krishna.
This is my song that I have sung, and then I asked Suno.ai to
Bolo Krishna 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 Bolo Krishna 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 Bolo Krishna.
So this is a way that you can create certain new music or art. Canva AI is there. So there are many, many other tools that you can try to utilize and make it fun beyond watching these videos. Okay. So those are the things that I would wanted to talk about for the students. I hope this was useful, but any specific questions, please do put on the chat messages. Happy to take it forward. Gidhar says he has used Suno.ai, which is fantastic. But any other tools that you think that you have used that you would want to share to this particular group, please do that. Yes, definitely there are tools. Duolingo Max is one tool. I think I'm not sure if Kannada is still added into that or not, but Duolingo Max is something that definitely everybody who's learning languages, I think vernacular languages are getting added. Duolingo Max, sir, please try, Satish sir, if there is anything in that one. Yeah, definitely. I think Guru sir, it's a fantastic point about how do I get to create a second income. Definitely, we'll talk about when we are in the other gig work kind of a thing. But here, there are lots of tools like Suno.ai is one thing that you can create audio. You can put it on Sound.cloud and you can sell there. Canva AI, you can use Canva AI to build uh, images which can be sold on the Getty Images and all. There is a Synthesia, Synthesia, a video creator tool where you can create small videos and you can upload and monetize it. So everything, if your content has a quality in it, there are tools available to mix video, audio. Even there are lots of companies who are asking for writing the blogs on certain topics. So you can utilize the tools which I have mentioned, Notion and Notebook, as well as to create the content for marketing, content for blogs, and you can sell them. There are people who would really would want to buy those art. So definitely using these tools, you can monetize yourself, create a second income as you are studying, as you are having a career break or somewhere continuously. Of course, I'm not saying that you'll become easily a millionaire or something, but these are the tools that can definitely you should utilize. I have created few videos is using in video tool, but Synthesia is something that is really nice to create certain videos. And as I shown, Suno.ai is excellent to create certain music if you are really interested into it. Duolingo Max is excellent if you are a teacher, a language. If you are teaching language to anybody else, then Duolingo Max can be used to learn and even to help the students also. For tutors also, it is excellent. Yes, we can use the leverage AI for the trading purposes. There's lots of tools which are available. I intentionally did not bring that trading related stuff here, but there are lots of tools which will scan the screeners, not just the screener, but will scan the screeners and provide you the information. But again, do not rely on that one fully. Use your own human knowledge than the AI decisions. There are lots of trading tools as well, Ram Gopal sir. Yes, Havish Tej, I think can we use AI and invest in stock market? Yes, you can use AI, but do not invest based upon the decisions of AI. You please use your own judgment to invest. There are multiple tools which will not directly invest, but they will give the information based upon hundreds of parameters, technical and fundamental parameters as well, and the latest news. They all bring those three things together and will recommend that this is something that you should do. But again, never rely on those tools fully. Okay, I think Girdhar Malgi is saying L1 Labs, yes, VO2, VO3, lovable, bold, fantastic. So for a deep research, Raghavendra sir, definitely you should use the different tools like Grok is excellent in doing deep research for any kind of topic that you would want to go for. So you should try specifically for that. Kimi K2 is also a good researching tool. It is an open source coming from China, like a deep research. So definitely please use that. Okay, let's moving on. So on the career progression with AI, so I would really would want to show a little bit saying that people think that how does really AI is a multiplier. So AI is helping people to make their work faster, better, efficient, so that they can also try to live their other dreams, whatever they would have. So it helps you learning things faster. It helps in making your workday more productive and efficient. It will help you to try new things which you have never tried. So AI is something, it's a multiplier effect in every way. Again, there's a myth saying that AI is just for IT. No, it is not for IT. With a couple of examples that I'm trying to show here is, and these are not just stories. As you can see, NYC Public School has collaborated with Khan Academy. Khan Migo is a tool from Khan Academy. They have worked together now, and Bill Gates himself has invested a lot in that one. So they are getting, AI is getting into education. AI is getting into retail, as you see. I think I'm not sure how many people used the Lenskart AI, where you can try your lenses, your glasses, and see how it looks. So AI is not just for IT, it is for education, it is for healthcare, it is for retail, it is for manufacturing. Wherever IoT is there, Internet of Things, everywhere AI is coming into. So AI is not just for IT people. It is for every profession, and there are lots of tools that are useful, which we'll talk about. At every different profession category, they can be useful for. For example, in the Mayo Clinic, the nurses here, they use Nuance Dragon Medical One software from Microsoft, AI based software. In many corporate hospitals, I'm not sure if you have observed. Yeah, there's some background noise. Please request you to go on mute. So in corporate hospitals, what happens is nurses typically are asked to write lots of notes about the patient, what medicine they have given, what was the, like, I have one of the hospitals that we typically go. They spend a lot of time in writing, and when I ask the nurses, why are you not attending the patient, they say, no, I have to complete this by this time, otherwise doctors will ask me, and then I'll attend the patient. So with Nuance Travel Medical One at Mayo Clinic, a lot of that operational mundane work has been taken care by voice. So they quickly tell, and it automatically updates the entire records. They validate, they move. So what is happening with this is they are able to spend more time with the patients than writing certain mundane stuff. So they're able to do the purpose. What is the purpose of nurses? To help the patients. They're able to do that more than what earlier was. Even with the NYC public schools, the teachers have said that instead of scheduling the entire, for the week or for the year, what they're going to teach and assessment and all, they are now able to spend more time with the students. So they are able to help the students what the student wants, rather than doing some mundane operational work. So this is where the AI is actually creating an impact. For SQL database, which AI agent is better? Again, the purpose of, if you want to talk to the database, right? So there are multiple tools, and you should, Karthik, you should build your own AI agent to talk to the database, and it is very simple and straightforward. Maybe when we connect offline, I can help you to explain. It is talk to database. There are already ready-made open source tools are also available. Very easy to talk to your own database. Okay, so let's go further a little bit and see how at each career stage that you are into, how you can take the next steps. First, identify the skills, where you are and where do you want to go? What is the desired state? What is the gap? Do the gap analysis. And how do we do the gap analysis? There are tools available to do that gap analysis. Skill Syncer, right? So Skill Syncer is a tool which will help you when you upload your, say, job, your resume versus the job that you are looking for. It will try to identify the gaps. Let me quickly show you what does it do. Yeah, this is a Skill Syncer. So I have uploaded my resume, and I gave the job description also. Now what it has done is it has compared both the things, and it has given a report saying that no, your overall score with respect to that particular job is this one, right? There are certain skills which are required for that job are not found. So soft skills are not there. So this is where which will give you a clear picture that for this particular job, where do you stand? What is the gap? Right? This is from a technical point of view. Has anybody used Skill Syncer team or any similar tool that you have used, which will compare the job description versus the your resume and has clearly identified the gaps and then tells you these are the areas that you should be learning? Yeah, not many people have used. So definitely please use this. So you take your resume word is one, career flow, somebody has said that they have used, fantastic. So please use this particular tool to identify the gap. And this is for specifically for technical things. There are other things that as a person that we would want to grow. So Traitify is another app, TRA. So this is the one, Traitify. So what does it do? And there's another one, Johari Window, which is a fantastic tool to make yourself self-aware. I'm not talking about the technical or a job or a resume. I'm talking here about your own, what a person you are. Because as a human being, it is not just about the technical and soft skills. As a human being, we have to grow. So Johari Window, Traitify, and other tools which will tell based upon certain questions that they ask. Like say, for example, do you like wearing these costumes? No, not me. I'm not. So do you say, oh, this is my turn, will you skip the line? So not me. So like this, if you are you watchful? Me, not me, whatever, right? So these kind of a questions, if you're able to answer, it will come up with a category saying that, know what kind of a person you are, and then what are the things that you should try to learn and move forward. So Johari window is something which is a different way of identifying what kind of a person you are. So please try this Johari window. What it does is, these are so many emotions, so many characteristics that a person can have. So you just select 4 or 5 of them and then send it to the people that you know, your friends, your peer community, your colleagues, and then try to see what they respond. So the main thing here on the Johari window, what it does is, it tries to tell you there are 4 characteristics. Maybe it is not showing here, but it shows, let me see if it shows. So what it does is, it will categorize into what are the characteristics that you think that you are having, but others think no, you are not having. Right? Like that, it will have a quadrant where the skills that you know, others don't know, that you know, or others don't know and you also don't know. A proper quadrant. And it will put you in saying that you are this kind of a person and these are the areas that you should work on. So this is on beyond the technical skills that I wanted to show. As a human being, when we grow, the rest of the things also will follow. So please try this. Identify the gaps. What are the gaps that you would want to go to desired state? Use the AI tools to fill those gaps. Next, acquire knowledge. Now we have identified the gaps. Now you want to fill those gaps. How do you fill those gaps? So of course, I think everybody would have heard Udemy, Coursera, and there are many other tools available. I would not want to spend a lot of time on this particular topic, but you acquire the knowledge using the Udemy or Coursera kind of tools, or the courses that are available on those, and then fill the gap. Again, this Udemy and Coursera are specifically 70-80% are on technical IT part, but there are lots of courses which are non-IT. Like if you are a person who are working towards the leadership development in your organization, so there is a lot of case studies from McLaren or even PwC or Pepsi, how they have turned their entire team into an high-performing team. There are courses on improving your communication skills. There are courses on, I think I have seen some courses on piano learning as well. So there are lots of courses available beyond just the IT courses. I see some questions here. Infosys Springboard is fantastic. I'm an ex-Infosian, so I still get the Infosys Springboard. Infosys Springboard is free of cost. Again, absolutely no charges there. There are lots and lots of topics which are very well put hands-on. Also, it is explained. So please do go to Infosys Springboard and try that too. I still use that. Even I'm an ex-Infosian, I still have an access. Everybody can have access. You don't have to be an Infosian for that. Any AI tools to integrate with Jira to automate project management for prioritization, efforts, and time prediction? Of course, there are a lot. Jira that itself provides one of the AI tool. Nowadays, Jira has come up with a tool. There are other tools, third-party tools also, which you can integrate. Trello has one of the tools which can integrate with Jira. And I'm not sure about whether the Azure Boards has something. But Azure Boards itself is a Microsoft product, so it doesn't have much to do with Jira. But yes, definitely there are lots of tools. Vijay, maybe if you can connect with me. Asana, yes, of course, Asana has integration with Jira, but I think we are a little diverting from the topic. Let's come back. So once you have identified the gaps, you have acquired the knowledge. What is more important is network. Again, we are having a very deep dive session tomorrow on the same. But LinkedIn is like the clear winner about the network. There is something called Rezi, R-E-Z-I. There is something called Shaper. There are many other tools which are available in the market, but I think LinkedIn is something is very critical. Again, people think LinkedIn is specifically for IT people. No, it is not. There's a Sunil Shetty, a restaurateur, who was there on that LinkedIn. There are many other people from various different professions. They are on the LinkedIn. I just gave an example. Chef can connect with food bloggers. An artisan can meet a retail or e-commerce person on that one. So if you are onto a fabric industry, you can connect with the people who supply the materials, who can sell it. Also, it's a fantastic place to be there. If anybody who is not there on the LinkedIn, if you want to take anything out of the Vichara Vahini session so far, this is the one thing that I would say: go and register for LinkedIn, please. Is there anybody who is not on LinkedIn? Please say, yes, I am not on LinkedIn. I will be really, really surprised and really would want them to go on the LinkedIn. Anybody not on LinkedIn, please do message here.
So tomorrow is a session on LinkedIn, which we will make sure that everyone are on LinkedIn, sir.
Yeah. So the input today is that if somebody is there who is not, then I think that will be an input for you. Okay. So moving on. So you have identified the gaps, you have acquired the knowledge, you have the network. Now what is next is you need to have gain experience. Now, as I mentioned, this session is for the people who are into career professionals who are not able to move forward in their career within the current organization, or people who have taken a break, that they're not able to earn a second income, which I was talking about earlier, using the AI tools, generate a second income. So Upwork, Fiverr are these couple of freelancer.in. There are lots of freelancing marketplaces available, but Upwork, Fiverr are on top along with the freelancer.in. Please do go there, and there's a different kind of work is there. Even there are requests for a teacher saying that I would want my child to learn Spanish, and the request can come from across the world. So the payment is also decent. So please do try that, Fiverr and Upwork, if you are not already there. And people who are into, say, different arts, like Food.ai is one. There are many other tools to edit photos, videos, and also please use those applications. Canva is there. I think many people would have used Canva to generate presentations or flyers. So whatever work comes on Upwork, Fiverr, you can use these tools to build that and serve your customers. And mostly the Upwork, Fiverr will have the IT related work as well: build a website, build a mobile app, tech modernization, various kind of things. But we see a lot of non-IT work also be there, and these tools can be used. Copy AI, Jasper can be used to create your marketing material. As I mentioned, a lot of content creation is something that AI is, like, as of now, being used heavily on. So please do try to utilize that, and creates a second income if it is not coming to the conflict of interest of your first job. Finally, I think continuous learning. Even though you have done all of this, continuous learning and adapting to the technology. Many people say that using Gen AI, people are not able to think properly. They will lose their thinking skills. So I will not use Gen AI. I will not use AI. I will do the grunt work. Fine, no issues. But when there is a tool available, if you are not using it rightly, is a mistake that we'll be doing, and then we'll be repenting. But how do we know that what are all the current trends on the technology when everything is changing every minute? So there are tools again to help you out to know what is happening. So Feedly is one of the tool. Let me see if the Feedly is open here. Maybe if it is not, I'll try to open. Yeah, so Feedly is one of the tools which will help you to give a topic saying that I would want to know about, say, what's happening in the say shoe industry, right? Okay, some issue with this one, but you should be able to figure it out by yourself. Very simple and straightforward. You give a topic, and then it will get the news from Reddit, it will get the news from the other websites, and bring it in a very structured place where you can track and you can follow it. Perplexity is another one, with Perplexity being free for all the Pro Airtel subscribers. It is free. So what you could do is go to Perplexity. I have a Perplexity Pro because I'm an Airtel user. So look at the topics that you would want to. So it just gives all the news for you. So just go there, try to read. And what you could also do is take this put in a notebook LM and create a podcast out of it. And then you can listen to it as if like you are exploring that, right? So these are the tools that I would want to suggest for all of you to utilize in your career, whatever stage you are. Just wanted to check the time. How are we doing? 9:53. I think another 5-10 minutes. But let me quickly run through a couple of slides which are very important. This is 4 M's of an AI. So we talked about what multiplier the AI is, what magic it can do. Again, it doesn't do the magic. It can help identify certain patterns. It can help you do more processing faster than a human being can do. And we think it is a magic, right? We say, oh, it has translated from English to Kannada absolutely without any issues. It's a magic, but it's not a magic. It's logic, right? So those two, we are well aware of it. But mistakes, of late, we have seen this Replit news is coming where it deleted the entire database of a company, right? So it can do a mistakes. and deleting entire database of a company is like a mayhem. So AI, if used appropriately, can be multiplier of magic, but AI without a human in the loop can do mistakes to disasters. So human is very important when you are using the AI. Unless you give the right instructions, what the response come back, you understand, then apply. If you do not understand and directly apply, then you're going for a toss. So this is very, very important for us to make sure that we give some instructions to AI, take the response, understand, and then apply. Right. Okay, I think I have something else to share to you guys, but what I have done is I have collected certain AI tools for each of these different professional areas, what the AI tools can be. So for example, yeah, I think this is specifically in general, I have said that, IT pros can code faster, business people can write better, creatives can design and publish quickly, which I have used Canva AI to do this in a day, this PPT, or 2 days. Educators, Duolingo Max, and all that can be helpful. Healthcare, we have spoken about the healthcare, how the Mayo Clinic has used the AI. Entrepreneurs, of course, to use AI-based marketing and pitching, and of course, create a scale for them. But I have created certain tools for each of the different professions, the use cases, what the tools are, and what the impact that they would create for business and knowledge workers, for creatives, educators, and all. We will try to show that or share this post our session. But I'll just take a pause here and just wanted to look at certain questions that are coming up in this. Yeah, Fever Upwork, freelancer.in is something which is popular. There are many. There is, I forgot.
Someone was asking, is there a kind of a development and all? So I was telling that there's a surprise. Please wait until 15 minutes, the last 15 minutes.
Yeah. So we'll try to do that. Okay. So then we'll get into that. I think I see Grishanna is responding. So on the more deeper technical stuff, which is good. So let me see. Let's build an app. So this is something that I wanted to try and support me here. If the live demonstration goes for a toss, then just pardon me. If it is successful, then I think it's blessings of all the people. So let's build an app. Okay. So what I was thinking few days back with my wife and son is like, why can't they build an app? And then a thought come in saying that what kind of an app? So typically women in the family, they keep the things somewhere in the kitchen or somewhere in the house, and they say oh, it is just there, go and get it. So I typically do not find it where it is, but it is very easy for them to find it. Does anybody have this kind of a problem, have faced it in their lives, that the woman in the family, their mother, sister, or somebody says it is very easy to find in the kitchen, go get it, but you are not able to find it? Is anybody just for the sake of it, just say yes, no, or you always found the things? Yes, every day, me every day. Okay, so difficult to find, Guru sir. Yes. Okay. So what we thought is we'll create an app, and we tried this app, and then the instructions were given verbally, and then an app was created where we had the app couple of features where we upload an image, we write the description, we write the location of that particular item that we are talking about, and upload. So that will be done by, say, woman in the family. And then as a searcher, you can go and search for saying that I want to search for this. Then it shows the image, it shows the description, it shows the location of it as well. And then of course we can add more features on top of it. So I'm trying to see if I can build that app right away. And if it is successful, then it is good. But again, at least I'll be able to show that how easy it is to take the first step. So let's try. So what I'm doing is I'm going to Microsoft Copilot. The reason why I'm going to Microsoft Copilot is that without even typing anything, with a vernacular language, also we will be able to give instructions to Microsoft Copilot. Then we'll take the prompts from there. We'll give it to a software or an application called as lovable.dev, which will create the application for us, right? So let me see if I have any credits. Yes, I have credits here. So let's go to the Microsoft Copilot, and I will try to give the instructions in the languages that I would know to build this particular application. All just pray for me that it goes well. Okay.
Hi, Neelesh.
Hey, hi,
Hey,
how are you?
hey, Neelesh, I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing good. Hey, I want to build an web application. Would you be able to help me?
Absolutely. Building a web app sounds like an exciting project. What kind of features or capabilities do you have in mind for this app?
ನನಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ ಒಂದು ವೆಬ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದರದ್ದು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದರದ್ದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು.
Got it. An image upload feature with a description and location info. What else do you want the web app to do?
నాకు ఏం కావాలంటే ఇది ఒక ఫీచర్. రెండో ఫీచర్ నాకు ఏం కావాలి అంటే నేను ఏదైనా సెర్చ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఒక సెర్చ్ బటన్ కావాలి. అందులో నేను లొకేషన్ కానీ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ కానీ సెర్చ్ చేసినప్పుడు అది నేను అప్లోడ్ చేసిన దానికి మ్యాచ్ అయితే దాని యొక్క ఫోటో, దాని లొకేషన్, దాని డిస్క్రిప్షన్ చూపించాలి.
Sure thing. We'll add a search feature to find images based on the location or description you provided. Anything else you want the app to do?
हाँ, मुझे एक और फीचर चाहिए जो है कि जितने मैंने आइटम्स अपलोड किए हैं वो सब आइटम्स मुझे एक लिस्ट की तरह दिखाएं और उसके साथ वो लिस्ट में जो इमेज का प्रीव्यू, एक एडिट बटन और एक डिलीट बटन भी दे.
Got it. We'll add a feature to list all the uploaded items with image preview, an edit button, and a delete button. Anything else you have in mind?
नाही, तेवढंच, अजून जास्त नाहीये. पण मला काय म्हणजे हे जे ऍप आहे, I would like to give the prompts about this app to lovable.dev. So give me all the prompts in a detailed way so that this app can be built, and it should use local storage. So give me the detailed prompts for all these three features using the local storage, local browser storage.
Sure thing. Here's a brief rundown. 1. Image upload. Create a form for users to upload images with fields for description and location. On submission, the data is stored locally in the browser's local storage. Search functionality. Implement a search bar to filter images by location or description. When a match is found, the app retrieves and displays the corresponding data from local storage. Item list. Display a list of all uploaded images with previews. Each item has an edit button to modify the details and a delete button to remove it. Changes are updated in local storage as well. Does that help?
Yes, thank you. Please give me the prompts.
Sure. Here are the prompts. For image upload, develop a form to upload images with fields for description and location, storing the data in local storage. For search functionality,
Let me close this. So I'll just say that please give me the, because I have to wait for it to complete. So I'm just typing it, full prompts. It ideally should have responded in the language that I was asking, but as I said, demos are demos. When I speak to it in Kannada, it used to respond to me in Kannada. When I speak in Hindi, it used to respond to me in Hindi or the other language. It automatically used to understand. But AI is AI. It still is not as perfect as we think. But now at least it understood what I'm trying to say and responded back in English. But it is a unique experience when it tries to change the language that we are changing and it responds back. So these are the prompts that it has already given. So we just need to take the copy of this, and I'll go to lovable.dev and then try to paste it. So I'll just remove certain things which are just my chat. So let's see what it does. So what we are saying is just copy pasting and then sending it to lovable.dev. Let's see what it says. So it's doing certain things. You can click on this code viewer and try to see what it does. It's writing a lot of code here. So you just click on it. You don't want to see, you don't want to see. As a developer, I like to see what it is trying to do, but it is trying to build an app. Again, I've crossed the time, but I hope this will be interesting for you all to see what's happening. Just have some patience, guys. And again, it's not just lovable.dev. There's a tool called Replit, which again was infamous for deleting storage of tool, but you can just paste that particular thing here also, see what it can do. There's something called bolt.new, or bolt keeps changing its name. Let me see, bolt.new. So you can give your idea here, copy paste, and try to see what it does. So there are lots of tools, and the tool that we have specifically used to develop Udyoga Pramoda is cursor.ai. I'm not sure if Shrikar or Supragnya are there on the call, or Aditya. Guru is there, I think. This is the team which has predominantly has worked on this, udyogapramoda.org, and we use cursor.ai. Again, it is not as simple as the app that we are trying to create, so it has a little bit of more complex stuff. So there are tools which can require complex stuff. So cursor.ai is one of them. There's a windsurf. The lot augment code is one of the latest one that has come up. So yeah, let's see. It's still spinning up. Let it do. It's taking a little bit more time. Okay.
Meanwhile, we wanted to take some questions, Girish, Neelesh.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
That way we can.
Are there any tools that help special children to help their needs, to guide them and implement strategies for their better well-being? It's a fantastic question. I would request any forum that you have come up with any tools for special children. I'm assuming here they are specially abled children and not. I think you're talking about more of autism kind of a thing. If you're asking Harini, I'm not well aware of that, but maybe there are few. Yeah, autistic children, I'm not very sure about that, Harini. Maybe I'll do some certain research and try to come back. There should be for sure. Then please suggest any tool helpful for writing in industry case studies. I think Grok 4, as I mentioned, I think Girishan has also mentioned the same thing. So Udyoga Pramoda app in Play Store, it is not a mobile application, it is a web application. But once this udyogapramoda.org site is stable and working fine, we'll definitely would want to bring to Play Store and app stores. Can we use AI and invest in stock market? I think repeatedly many people are asking these questions, or maybe the responses are coming for that. Yes, there are lots of tools, guys, but again, be very cautious about that. Okay, now I see that this app is created. Okay, so let's upload your first photo. Click upload to an image, documents. So I try to create a folder also. Is it here? Yeah. So I'll just put, say, one image. This is what it is. And it thinks it's a memory, but it's not a memory. I'll just say rack 1, or I'll say item 1, something like that. Location where it is taken, home, kitchen. But again, as it is giving an example that you can create a memory out of it also. So photo is uploaded successfully. Then let me add another picture of this, rack 2. So I'll just say rack, say this is in hall. So just cut certain images where the masalas are kept or something is kept. I'm just creating something, but it is useful for any kind of a view that you would want to. Your memories also it is. So I'll just say this is in, say, bedroom, not apt, but say location. Okay, this is description is masala, and then they say bedroom. Not sure how many people would want to use this kind of an app. So now these are things which are created. Let's search. So let's search for RACK. There is no bedroom. And search. No, okay, ROOM. Search, yes. So it has found, right? So you found from the bedroom, or you try to find a masala. Let's see. Yeah, it searched for this. Let's search for, I don't know what it was, other thing, but search. Yes, the item has come in. So this is an app I think that we have just created with all the code here. You don't have to worry about the code, but it is all well created. So you can use it, and let me publish this and see publish and see if you are able to use by yourself. So you can just publish it, and you can send it to your friends saying that I've created this app. You can also use it if it gives me a link. Yeah, this is a link. I'll just try to put it here in the chat. See if you are able to use this. You should be able to use it. I just want to show something else, a little bit of my own son did this. It's a Lemonade app. Not sure if it is appearing, but it's not there. But again, it will vanish after some time if you don't purchase the subscription or so. But yeah, I will pause here and then I'll end my session. Last two words that I would want to say before I end my session is that the people who want to survive in this industry, there is only one word, which is build. If you are not building anything every day, you will not survive. The second word is now. It's not tomorrow, day after. You have to build now. If you don't build now, you will not survive for sure. An apple a day keeps doctor away. An app creation will make sure that you will survive. So that's what I would want to end up. And then we have something on hackathon we'll talk about. But Guru sir, anything that we should talk before we go into hackathon? I'm done with my session. I'm happy to take questions as we talk. Guru?
No, I think go ahead about hackathon.
Sure.
Once you're done with hackathon, I'll talk about tomorrow's session.
Absolutely. So thanks all for attending this session. I know it is 11 past 10, but I'll take another 5-10 minutes to explain about hackathon. Udyoga Pramoda has recently started. Again, people who do not know about Udyoga Pramoda, it is to help match people with jobs and the mentors. So we are not Naukri.com. So Naukri has much more jobs profiles and availability there. But there are lots of jobs which are not posted on Naukri. There are referrals. So those kind of jobs will be posting it here. There are aspirants who have been part of, there are around 300 plus aspirants as of now registered in Udyoga Pramoda. And we have multiple mentors who have been registered. So we'll connect the aspirants to mentors and the jobs. So this is a long journey. It is not like one-time journey that you have got a job and you're done. The mentor will be there for you for lifetime to support and help and guide. So as part of Udyoga Pramoda, we have started on August 14th to 16th. There's an hackathon, which is available on our site, udyogapramoda.org. Go to events and then register for the hackathon. We have seen already 6 teams which have already have already registered for it. And there are lots of team members who are still working towards to get there. And we would want all the people within this forum as of today to register. It doesn't have to be, there's no restrictions at all. It can be a student, it can be an person who is working. Again, as I have demonstrated, a simple application can be developed without code. That means even the non-IT people can also join in. It is about identifying the problem, identifying the right solution, and forming a team. A team doesn't have to be only IT people. A team can be a combination of non-IT people, because the ideas, the solutions come better from their perspective, and some IT coders for sure, designers, testers, presenters. So it doesn't have to be just IT people as part of the hackathon. There are non-IT people can also join as part of the hackathon. So the teams are formed. Please register now. And if you are having any questions, concerns, please do raise, and I'll be happy to stay here and help you out. So I would request to people to take the next 5 minutes to go to udyogapramoda.org. I'll try to show you as well, udyogapramoda.org. And then register yourself as a Udyoga Pramoda member, as a career aspirant. And then this is a very simple form. Just upload your resume. And once you have registered, so I have my registration done. So I'll just log in. Right. And go to the events. There's a Yukti Manthan AI Hackathon. Join hackathon. It's a paid event, by the way, 250 rupees. Again, this 250 rupees is like absolutely nothing for the kind of investment Udyoga Pramoda is doing to get the place, get the all the facilities that you would want, and facilitating AWS. AWS is our partner, Zoho is our partner, Core.ai is our partner, technology partner. Again, they are not sponsoring, but they are giving their tools to us, tools to this AI hackathon so that we can use. So AWS Q Developer, AWS Cairo, Zoho Creator, Core AI's conversational AI platform, all this will be available to you. Again, most of these tools would not require a lot of technical knowledge, but of course, one or two team members should be there as part of your team. There will be a technical crew also who will be helping you all to proceed further. There will be sessions from AWS, there will be sessions from Zoho, how to utilize these tools. So this is one of the unique opportunity where we are not just asking you to register hackathon, but we are also training you on niche tools which you will not get free in the market. Zoho tools, AWS tools, Core AI platform tools. You'll only get the trainings, or their academy will be there to train you. But getting a hands-on with a tech crew, with mentors, you will never get similar kind of an opportunity. So I'll request everybody to start registering, and I'll be happy to wait here and see if you guys are having any questions on it. I'll stop sharing, Guru, and then you take over.
I think one thing, right, Neelesh, thanks. Okay, first of all, thanks a lot for the session. It was like for me also, it was too many tools for me. So much is happening, and so much. How many of you, you can stop sharing, but I'll ask one question to everyone. Again, I wanted everyone to, if everyone can come on our videos, it would be awesome. I myself is not there. Okay, I'll be on video. Okay, I will ask one question, guys. Let's be very interesting and let's take this. Okay, how was the session, man? I'm telling you, it was like awesome for me. Awesome.
Yeah,
Too many
amazing,
tools.
actually.
So many tools. Tell me.
Yeah, it's awesome.
This was amazing. Really.
Wow.
Got to learn a lot of things. Yeah.
You're from IT, sir, Vinayak, sir?
Yeah, I'm from IT.
Okay, awesome. So others, how did you find it? Quickly, because again, I wanted to go back. See, have you observed one thing? Neelesh sir was telling lot of questions were coming, and he has a ready-made answers. So he himself is like a chat GPT, is what I felt.
Yeah, that's right.
So he was answering so many. I know Ahankari brothers are there, and Girish also have lot of tools in his forte. And I'm telling you, it was an amazing session, Neelesh. I think one session is not enough. Okay, we need more such kind of a sessions for sure. No, one person I always see Srinath. I don't know who is that, Srinath or someone is asking about a construction. So yeah, Srinath sir. So he's asking about construction. So he is very much. I guess you got an answer from Girish, and that shows that how much we are interested, how much we are here to learn. So, and Neelesh, yeah, I've seen, sir. I've seen you, and you want to talk quickly, you can talk.
Yeah.
We have 12 minutes because we wanted to get back to our hackathon. We wanted everyone to right now register. I don't want to miss out. I wanted everyone to register now. Neelesh was so humble there. I don't want that humbleness over here. I wanted everyone to register. Then only you have to go from this kind of a session. I'm telling you. Whoever cannot, it's okay. But majority. Okay, sir, you wanted to talk anything, Srinath sir? Srinath Rao. Yeah. We have another Srinath sir who is our captain. Yeah. You're on mute. Unable to listen. Unable to hear, right? I'm unable to hear him.
Yeah, Guraj, I wanted to share some few words.
Please, sir. Quickly, we have a couple of minutes. Quickly.
Yeah. No, it was a nice session. Like today, it was the first day I've attended actually. So last week, unfortunately, I got missed. I was stuck somewhere else, and it was like tremendous. As you explained, Neelesh, the way of Neelesh's explanation and the market industry current going on what situation and the challenges going to face and how it can be recorrected and how the bridging the gap between should be and how your thinking should be. You should not be depend on AI. It was a really, I highly appreciate. It's a true word and really excellent one. Like excellent.
Awesome, sir. Awesome. Thanks. I just wanted to, take some time because participants are, dropping off because of the time. Now, the hackathon. How many of you are interested in hackathon? First of all, say yes, or no, whatever it is. Man ki baat bol dijiye. Man ki baat bol dijiye. I wanted everyone to yes or no. Just say yes or no. How many yeses we are getting? If you are telling no also, please tell no. Also, not a problem. I wanted to see your man ki baat.
Yes.
Yeah. And Arvind H, I'm not, highlighting you, but you said no. There could be some reasons. Any reason? Because we wanted to solve that reason also. Not in Hyderabad. No problem, sir. Whoever is not in Hyderabad, please register. Your participation is very important. Even if you are not in IT, I'll tell you who is not in IT. I know Srinath sir is not in IT. Srinath Roy is from construction. What can I do in hackathon? What can I do in hackathon? First of all, what did you do here in this session, sir? You learned it or not? Have you learned it? Have you learned it or not? In hackathon, you will hands-on learn it. Hands-on learn it. I'm telling you. We Neelesh, Girish, and all Aditya, they are curating the hackathon in such a way that it should be, and it is going to be amazing. I'm telling you.
From Bangalore, how to participate?
Everyone can participate from anyone, any place. Only thing is one participant in your team should be physically available in Hyderabad. Maybe you have a 5-member team. Okay, we will make sure that we will help you to form the teams. Okay, we have people, Akshata, we have Havish, we have we have who else are there? Shrikar is there. Lot of people who joined in the last hackathon sessions. There was amazing learnings from them, and we will take their help to form the teams so that Bangalore people or other Hyderabad people, other than Hyderabad people, they will be also part of it online. But
problem statement.
Yeah, problem statements are already listed on the site.
Guys, all automated. Believe me, amazing job done by Neelesh, Girish, Aditya, Srikar, Sarva. Who is that? Can you help me out?
Supragna.
Supragna. Yeah, Supragna. Sorry, Supragna. So all these guys were amazing and they did it. And just go enjoy that. And I wanted everyone see the efforts which we are keeping for hackathon. I'm telling you, Srinath Achar is there. He is so worried. Sir, Srinath Achar, can you come on video? I wanted to see. He is Srinath Achar is 70 years old, sir. I wanted to tell, but he is so amazing. I'm telling you, he is worried. But we are very much confident that it will be done. Hackathon is going to be one of the best events which we are going to have. Sir, you have to be on. You are on mute, sir. You're on mute.
Me?
Yeah, Srinath Achar. No, sir, Srinath Achar. Sorry, Srinath Achar. So we have two Srinath, sir. We'll call him a captain now. Okay, captain, be on. You wanted to talk something quickly? So he is running the show, and we are his team members. I'm telling you, he's very shrewd in picking the team members, and he's shrewd in running the shows as well. Hackathon, he's telling that, hey, we wanted registration. I am telling you, we will get registrations. We will get registrations. How? You have any questions? Please ask. If you have any questions, please ask, because it will be answerable to everyone. Someone told, I am in Bangalore, can I? Yes, you can. Anyone else? Any questions? Sir, please ask. We wanted even experienced people as well.
So, yeah, Guru, I just wanted to add that, see,
if Guru has been asking, following up, constantly requesting all of you to join, it's not for Udyoga Pramoda's benefit or our benefit. It is just that we want to ensure that you take that first step, that you remove that low confidence or scariness from writing or attempting something. You could fail, fine, but at least you will know where are your gaps. What is that step that I need to take to get my dream job, right? If you can't participate in our community organized close-ended hackathon, how will you crack interviews where now 4 to 5 rounds of codings are going on in any of the companies, right? So the first step is something that we need to take. Let us take that step. That will help us also to go connect within different organizations to push your profiles, and will all the hackathon participants will get a hackathon participation certificate. Winners will get winner certificate along with whatever goodies we are planning. But then remove the fear, right, when success is near. So take
So
that
if it, so to adding to Girish, thanks Girish. If it sounded that we wanted the participation, and if it sounded like that, Srinath, our captain is worried about the amount of effort which we are keeping for your, as Girish said, Udyoga Pramoda is not getting anything. It is all about the effort which we are keeping. And the result is going to be tremendous, as Girish has told. This is our community-based thing. This is the first of its kind, I'm telling you, in our community.
And we are also getting some companies to come and arrange interviews within the on the same day when the presentations are going on.
Absolutely.
So there will be a few companies coming in. We are planning for organizing online tests, and after that direct interviews there. And if you really do well, whether you win the hackathon or not, you will have a chance to appear for the interviews and get jobs then and there.
Is there any challenge that is stopping you guys from coming in for a hackathon?
So there are some questions questions coming, sir. If you can see,
Yeah,
I don't have a knowledge about coding and technical things.
not a problem.
Mr. Haricharan Panasa. Yes, absolutely, sir. That's what that could be one of the challenges. So no need to have the coding knowledge to have. Neelesh, sir, please, Neelesh and Girish, please correct me.
Absolutely. See, we have actually in the last 10-15 minutes, I have shown you that what you would require as a team is a combination. You need Pancha Pandav, one with Gada, one with bow and arrow, different skill sets. So if you are a product person, you can think of a solution, then please come over. If you are a good presenter, you can create a PPT, you can present yourself better. Please do join, and you will learn a little bit of coding and technology terms also. But of course, 1 or 2 coders are required. And what we will do as an admin here is we will make sure that you are placed in a team. If we will not have all 5 non-IT people in a team, we will work it out behind the scenes. We'll work with the different teams and make a right mixture of this. So please, irrespective of your background, your experience, this is an excellent place for you guys to come and join.
So I just got what Neelesh was telling. I'll tell you one thing. To give the requirements, do you need to have an IT knowledge? Do you run
the requirement of that app that I created, to be honest, it is absolutely nothing to do with IT.
Nothing to do with the IT. You can tell the, hey, can I have this kind of a button, click on it? Can I do this? Can I do that? So you can think, you can be in the think tank, right? You can be in think tank of that particular. I'm telling you, you're going to get lot of hands-on experience. And what qualification do you need? I think Neelesh has answered that. Doesn't have to be 90. You can be anything, student, employees, anything. Are there any age restrictions? I will bring one person who is from 80 years. Let's see how we can get it. 80, 90, 70, no restrictions. Even one of the last session which I'm going to talk now, why I'm telling now, I wanted to bring in some kind of a masala to this Vichara Vahini as well. Last session of this series of Chaturmasa event, guys, the session would be, I'm revealing now, the session would be from 8 years to 80 years. You are going to sit, create your own bot. You are creating your own AI bot for your own purpose. 8 years to 80 years. So that means It is for everyone. And this is going to come over here. So no age barrier, man. No age barrier. No age restrictions. Anyone can come. Sir, Srinath sir, I'm Srinath Rao sir. We are expecting you to be as part of hackathon. Sir, Captain sir, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I mean, guys who think that you're finding it difficult to come and stay over here, not a problem. I extend my support even in helping you out to make you comfortable. I mean, if that is the question, if one of you probably is finding it difficult even to afford to come to Hyderabad up and down, we will take care of the same if it is a very, very genuine and a specific ask. Come what may, let's make it happen. Let's make hackathon happen is all what we are interested. And I trust all you people would be interested in this hackathon. It's going to be a great effort. It's going to be a great show. It's going to help people stand out in the crowd. You will get a great visibility. You guys will be recognized for what you are trying to do in the hackathon. I mean, that's what I can offer as
So
of now,
I
Guru.
just wanted to add, last hackathon, we did a small hackathon with six
Yes.
people. And we got, I'm telling you, this has been promoted to, the bigger circle. And, sir, so the Madhwa cut or something like that, we have started, and we are seriously thinking about that to be productized, right? And you can imagine how things would be if we have 25 teams. We are expecting at least 25 to 30 teams of 5 people each. And that's going to be a huge event. As Girish told, we are going to get a lot of we are looking for employers. Career Connect is going to happen where the employer and so any questions, please ask us. Don't hesitate. You have it for fun. I'm telling you, and it will be for seriousness, and you'll understand the seriousness of it. Join with for a fun.
How many
Join.
confirmations you got, Guru?
A lot of S's are coming, but I don't know how do I track it as a confirmation. How do we do it, Neelesh? Shall we tell them to hackathon register right now?
Yeah,
So
we'll register right now. We'll put a poll saying this. Yes, interested. I will do tomorrow. Yes, I have just done. Can also a poll can be created, but I have never done a poll on Zoom.
So you can create a poll, or I would like, can you tell that because tomorrow is tomorrow.
Right.
Today is today. Right. So let's do it now.
Yeah.
Do it now. Okay.
Yes. Anybody facing a problem Neelesh, also, please let me know. I'll fix the problem right away for you.
Yeah. Neelesh, can you just share your screen?
Yeah.
Tell them that this is let them everyone do. Whoever is interested right now, whoever interested.
Okay.
Please open open your mobiles or anything. Please open yourself.
What do you want?
It is taking time. Couple of more minutes.
Go to udyogapramoda.org.
I am on udyogapramoda.org. Okay. So what do you want me to do, guys? Let me know if people are.
You're already registered. I think
immediately
most of the people are registered.
There are 6 people who have waiting for approval, so I'm doing it right away. Anuradha Kulkarni approved.
Mohan Kaulgi.
Yeah.
See the amazing work which Neelesh and team have done. Amazing work, I'm telling you.
Team, this entire thing is built using AI. So
yeah.
Shrikar, if you are there here, just come on video.
Shrikar is there doing day and night.
Day and night, yes.
But then as you said, though AI built it, the design, thought process, Shrikar,
Supragna is there, and
so you need to know the problem, you need to know the solution, you just have to use AI as a tool to build this. So yeah.
I have approved Anuradha, Mohan, Raghavendra right now.
Yeah. Couple of more minutes. I think we are waiting. Achyut, I'm interested. Go, just do it. Arvind Kulkarni, please go and do it. Just do it now.
Just repeating what I answered on the chat, guys. Your team can be in Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, wherever. It doesn't matter. You can. What the high level process is that around 10th, problem statements will be assigned to you, mentors will be assigned to you. You can brainstorm the discussions, you can do a design, you can put thought process. Entire thing is given here. You can start thinking about the solution. If you want, you can start building it from 10th itself once the task is assigned to you. You can use any AI tools. It is not mandatory to use AI. You can, if you are a hardcore coder, directly code it. If you are not a hardcore coder but you are a AI savvy, use AI to build that. But put thought process. What we will be evaluating you is how you have thought about the problem, how effectively you have collaborated, and your presentation skills. So, but one thing that we need to remember is every code that is written, you are the owner. Okay, though whether it is AI which is written or you have who have written, you are the owner of that code. Okay, so understand that and try to solve the problems. And then we will also be, since Nilesh mentioned that we have partnered with AWS, all this code needs to be hosted in AWS. There will be a session where we'll explain you, or I mean, AWS has come forward and is going to give access to their AI tools like Claude, entire Bedrock agents, Amazon Q Index, whatever you need, AWS is ready to give that in supporting this. There is also another company called Shellcode who is going to come forward, be there to help for any hackathon help that you need. And they have also come forward to hire the top talent. They are both based in Bangalore and in Hyderabad. So that would be good. So we are also working with a lot of other companies who are coming forward for the sessions.
So for Girish, when he's talking about a lot of employers, we are looking for employees to come. And what if I am 70 years old? If we are getting these kind of doubts, hey, I'm a homemaker. What would employer would come and don't worry about all those. We have appraised all the employers how we are going. So the employers are appraised. We take only the guys who are seeking for the job, only the talent which we wanted.
Only, yeah, Career Connect will be only for the job aspirants, whether you are 70-year-old or a 5-year-old. If you are a job aspirant, we'll try to help you.
Yeah. One more thing which I wanted to tell is AWS, Zoho, if you feel that, hey, what all these things, it is all technical for me. Should I come? Should I do this? Don't worry about that also. As you know, as we are progressing, don't even think about it. Everything is learnable. Everything is learning. Don't even overwhelm yourself that too much of technicalities. What should I do? No, please come and just join. Okay. I applied to join a team. When will be approved, Harini?
Right now, you tell me.
Right now it will be approved. Neelesh is there
So
to
which
approve.
team have you applied for, Harini? You can
Okay.
speak, you can unmute yourself and you can speak if you want to. So if you have applied for any of this team, I think which team have you applied? There's a new team that got created just now. Congratulations.
Wow, awesome.
Project, somebody has, Ramya Kalipi has created a new team. Welcome.
Nice.
So which team you have applied? The team leader has to approve because this is a team thing, right? I do not want to approve it. We can request the corresponding team leader to approve it.
I am a QA and saying for the job, please check it out because the Career Connect is, we are trying to do it as Girish and Neelesh are working hard. Even our captain is working hard to get the people there. So do your job. We will do our best.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting error while doing the registration. Yeah, please
tell me
to us offline.
Yeah, I have given you. Please feel free to reach out to me. I have given my number here, so please feel free to reach out to me. I'm okay to get spammed for a day or two, but I'll try to help you out.
So how many we got now or total?
No, as of now, I think it is still I think the same people that we had until yeah, I think today evening we got one created, but it's pretty much same.
Yeah. I think people are still see offline. Just tell us what exactly is the problem. Some of them were telling I'm not in WhatsApp. I think we need to work on it, Aditya. We need to work on that. Some of them were telling that they were not in WhatsApp group. So we need to work on, get them into the WhatsApp. Okay.
Yeah, I'll look into it.
So if it's an issue with the 250 rupees, if you're thinking about it, or anything else, let us know.
Homemaker, not a problem, Mamta Garu.
Yeah.
For all I know, you could probably win a patent right for the app that you make.
Yeah. So are we, Neelesh, good to go for the next session? Just wanted to take a couple of minutes and close the day today.
Yeah, I think so. I think people feel free. Tomorrow there will be a discussion about hackathon. If you are like all the questions that you are asking today, we took an impromptu way of answering your questions on hackathon. Tomorrow, 11 o'clock in the morning, we will publish the Zoom link to join, and I'll walk through the site, what are problems you are facing during the registration, during the hackathon, or even if you have concerns like my entire team is in Bangalore, please directly message me. I'll try to see what we can do. If you are having any other questions, concerns, right, please feel free. Tomorrow will be a session where we will request some of the mentors also to join. So you are not left alone. The team, there will be a mentor, there will be a technical crew to make you successful. Our job is to make you successful. All the teams we would want, it is just a part like top 3 or top 4 will win, but everybody beyond the hackathon. Okay. Yeah, that's it, Guru. Please take it forward. Tomorrow, please join. We'll publish the link on the WhatsApp groups.
Yeah, sure. And tomorrow the session is Sunday, Soft Skill Sunday. Hope all remember. And tomorrow it is going to be about your how to get a visibility, how to crack the interviews, how to get the visibility, how to be confident, how to be on LinkedIn. A lot of things I'm going to cover tomorrow. It's going to be me, which I'm going to cover tomorrow. So I'm going to publish the flyer probably tomorrow morning or today, EOD, end of the day. So be ready with your resumes. So it's going to be a hands-on resume, hands-on stuff from tomorrow for tomorrow's session. Anything else? So 11 o'clock, as Girish told, we are going, as Neelesh told, we have a meeting for hackathon, a quick hackathon registration. Please try registering today and tomorrow. Any questions or any new persons you're holding up yourself to register, tomorrow we will solve all the problems as well. Okay then, thanks, and tell everyone to join, whoever you know. Thanks a lot. Any closing comments you want, Captain? Or we are done?
You are on mute, sir. Captain, sir.
Thanks, Neelesh, for that wonderful session. It was really, really insightful. I guess the people who joined this session have also enjoyed it. I enjoyed it at this age, and I didn't leave the system, and I got glued to it. And age is not a problem. You can learn at any age. And I wish I would also make an app with your support.
Sure.
And let's go forward. Let's go forward. Exactly. Let's go forward. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining this meeting, the session, and we'll make the coming sessions even more exciting. Look forward to your participation. Prasanna is one gentleman whom I'm seeing very keenly participating. Prasanna Kulkarni, thank you very much for being here all through the session, sir. Aiyega up, please come on the 17th. Make yourself available. We would play a lovely host for you.
Actually, I'm not able to come, sir, but I will join. I will join online.
Where do you stay?
Yeah, I'm in Bangalore, sir.
Okay. Fair enough. Vinayak, sir, I look forward to you joining.
Sure, sir. I'll try my best. Even if I stay in Bangalore, I'll try my best.
Srinath, sir, for sure. I know you're coming in because let's make a app for the project management. Yeah. Srinath, sir. Okay. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for the participation. Thanks, Neelesh, for the wonderful session.
Thank you.
A lot of homework has gone into it. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Guru.
Thank you.
Tomorrow at 11, guys. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.